Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on the CROSSCALL Core M5. So on this device we have a Google Lens, so it's very simple and easy. In the first step, open the Google Photos app. And now just look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one, for example. Now tap on the Google Lens and whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same image or the object in the Google Picture database. So you can also change the searching area by swiping the edge to look for something more specific. And this is how it works. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.